So today we're turning these into these. So we've got the spacers off. So I glue 4 of them together. And another 4 together. Here's the backs. 2 of those. It's going to make 2 lights. See which one's the best. Red fascia, got a white front, and we've got an opaque front. So what's going to happen is, basically, we're going to have the back, 4 spacers glued together, so then LED lights can come through that hole. Fastened round here and then back out. These here, you can obviously put some screws in the side and hook it on. And then on top, there's going to be the opaque one or the white one. And then you've got the wheel badge. Equally spaced out like that, and that should illuminate. Sandwich. Yeah, you can see. You get the idea anyway. So we're going to make 2. See which is the better one. So basically, what we should have done is got some holes on the laser put in here, so that we can mechanically fix that to that. So all I was going to do is stick it on with super glue and maybe some melt around the inside, because that's where the what we call it, are going to go, the LEDs. Obviously it's going to be that way on, it's going to be that way like that, so it's going to be screwed through into that, and then that'll go on top like so, and it will cover the screws, give it a bit better fixing, because when it's in the van and it's bouncing about like that, yeah, the glue just might come away. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is drill it and drill it and mechanically fix it. Anyway, let's crack on. So LED light strips around. Found a different set this time actually. So I've put some batteries in already, so we'll give that one a whirl. So before we pass the needle in, these MDF discs are at the centre of the MDF spacers. So what I'm going to do is, when I pass the last one on, is, because it will be harder measuring where the screw holes are, whereas I'm just going to make a template. So basically, there's one screw hole, 2 screw holes. There's 3 screw holes. And that's the 4th one. Just roll that off. There's a template. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Turn it over. And let's reveal. It's hard doing this with one hand, but we'll try. That's what the channel's all about. Trying. My nose is itching. Come on, you bugger. One-handed. Come on. Yes, yes. A little bit left. Yes. A little bit. Anyway, you get the idea. VW light. She's going to go up there. Can't get in because I put the bed down, but I'll show you from the other side. She's going to go on there like that. Somehow. Well, not somehow. 4 screws. Bang shebang. Just make sure that she don't catch on the bed. But yeah, it's hard with one hand, but you get the idea. See you in a minute. Same again, one-handed. Get in. That's with a white background on it. Getting dust sticking to it because of the static. But yeah, there's the clear one, there's the white one. Which one do you reckon? Which one's better? The white or the clear? Clear matches the grey actually. White is in your face, isn't it? Proper red and white. Anyway, choice is yours. Comment down below which one do you like.